in 2022, I gonna be super active, be in conscious, be in reality, and conquer the world with my focus, consistency, hard work, dedication. I don't watch movies in laptop or TV or mobile. I only watch in theaters. I don't waste time in motivation, self motivation, or trailers, songs, random stuffs. I only watch WhatsApp status at evening 6 o'clock, and I will be uh, hardcore lead coder hereafter. It is not like I can or not. It is like I should, and I will be improving my communication skills much more because it is needed. My life, my decision. Hereafter, I don't waste time in simple, what to say, simple fights, simple desires. I am not even. I am hereafter following Kriya Yoga, which the main aspect is we are not the body, we are not the mind, and I'm not gonna stuck in overthinking. Like thinking doesn't affect real world, only action matters. But I will be an optimistic thinker because it will be an fuel to whatever I'm doing. But thinking will not change anything. I will worship Shiva because of a peace in myself. I am not worshipping for some things. I am only praying Him for some inner peace, and I am gonna. My only aim in 2022 is to be conscious, to be happy, to be hardworking, to be active, and to be neat, clean, and to be bold. And I need to say in the end of 2022 that I made it, and I should say I am son of Malati, and she should be proud that I am the son of her. It is the only dream in my 2022. Placements are coming, so complete focus on lead code. There is nothing that I will not focus on others, whether they are doing well or doing bad. It does not matters to me. Only matter is me. I will help if there are some situations, but I won't think of anyone in my mind. In my world, there is only me. I will be hardworking. There is nothing I can't do. I will do. I must do. It is like Tyler Durden pointing a gun on a person. You should do within 6 months like that. I should do it. He will not. If a gun is on my head, whether I will look him or her, no. I only look on myself to finish the line. So I'm only looking to finish the line. Not gonna look past, look future, because it is the time is now. The gun is on my head, whether it is do or die. It is Jan 1, 2022. I'm gonna do it this year. I will be clean, I will be successful. I will place a DE Shah or any product based companies. Mainly I would like to work on financial companies like industrial bank, like investment banks, like that. We'll see. I'm not gonna stuck on overthinking or unconscious minds. What to say? Unconscious minds hallucination. So this is my year. There will be some hardships. but I gonna break it and I will move towards my successful path, which is to be placed on Disha, like in 10th, which I am unconsciously in hallucination that I will be achieving state first rank, and I will be thinking that if I think like that I will be achieving. But here I am now conscious. I have grown up, and my mind is developed. So whatever I'm doing will be perfect, and it will be towards my success. There is nothing looking back or looking forth. That is looking now only. I will be updating on every day or every month, and after 22 on Jan 2023, I will be proud that I will be working on a product based company like Disha. It is not a dream anymore, it is a reality. I'm not gonna live in dream. I'm gonna live in reality. On my life, I only live a beautiful thing on only my dreams. Hereafter, I will live on my reality, unconscious world. Let's see whether I will be making it or not. It is in my hands. It is not someone is pulling me, or there is not like I have no ability. Everything is in me. I believe to achieve, to be placed in Disha, but I won't always think as if I done on 10th. I will completely focus on the process, like a gun is pointing in the head, like doing on the process, focusing only on the process, not focusing on the future, on unconsciously. The thing, whatever I done as a mistake hereafter I will not do, not repeat the mistake again. Whatever it may be, I will do. Let's see. But I have not be successful in my past life, because there are some unconscious thinking in my mind. Hereafter I will be completely conscious in this real world, and will be completely active. There will be no procrastination, there will be no looking back, there is no looking others, there is no imagination thinking in my mind. In my heart there will be only hard work and dedication. My soul is the true one, not my mind, not my body. So let's see whether I will make to Disha in 2023. I'm gonna make it. I'm not saying I can. I will make it. I'm gonna do it. You will see it.